To get started in terms of what to build, Scrum requires no more than a product owner with enough ideas for a first sprint, a development team to implement those ideas, and a Scrum Master to help guide the process. Choose one option. Option 1, true. Option 2, false. Option 3, it depends. The correct answer is option 1. While Scrum can start with a minimal set of elements, a well-defined product backlog and a clear definition of done are crucial for successful development. The backlog prioritizes the work for the development team, and a shared understanding of done ensures everyone is on the same page about what constitutes a completed product increment. Scrum's focus on self-organizing teams, minimal upfront planning, and iterative delivery makes it an attractive framework for projects seeking to deliver value early and continuously adapt to changing needs.